Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to French Guiana. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply any kind of visa to any country, the very first thing we should check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, we may or may not need a visa. Even based on other visas that we have, we may or may not need a visa. So that's what we are going to check and do. So because it's an kind of overseas French territory, so I have opened this France visa wizard. This will tell us as per the situation. So I'm considering a sample case that let's say you are an Indian national. This is all sample data. Your age, I assume 32. Married to French national, no. Do you join or travel with a family member from EU and other questions? I select no, like you have nothing over there. Where you're going to submit your application, I select India. What type of visa? I select short stay. Main destination of stay. This is very important. So here I select French, oh, I'm sorry, French Guiana. Okay. Travel document type, ordinary passport I select. You need to do as per your case, of course. This is just a sample. Okay. Now, if I scroll up to this page, it says, yes, you need a visa. Unless, so there are some exceptions given, unless you fall into this exception, you need a visa. So plan, I select tourism, main purpose of stay, I select tourism, and I click on search. Okay, so the fees and everything is given here. And if you scroll up, it will tell you the documents too, like ID photograph, your passport with minimum 3 months of validity since you plan to leave the place. Okay. Then itinerary, return ticket, hotel reservation. If you're gonna stay with someone else, then that letter, income tax department return, acknowledgement, then your employment letter, leave document, based on your situation. And yes, most important, bhai, travel health insurance, 30,000 euros minimum. Wow, that's good. And again, I recommend this to everyone that take this. Okay. Now on this page, you need to create an account first if you have not already. When you create an account, it sends an email to you where you can click on the link and then it's gonna verify your account and then you can get to. Because I already have an account, I'm gonna log in and then I'm gonna show you. So stay with me. So when you log in, this is where you reach and I'm gonna click on create a new application. Again, initially it will you can say step 1 to 6, where at the end it's gonna guide you. But in first few, it will again take you through the wizard. So I select nationality. Now family member question, again I select no. Your stay, where you're gonna submit the application. I assume you are an Indian national living in India. So I select India, where you will submit. So you have so many options. So I select New Delhi. Visa type, I select short stay. Main destination, this is very important. I'm sorry, again, I did a mistake. Yeah, be very careful. Even with the mouse wheel button rotation, some unexpected things may happen. So be very careful about that and always verify twice, not just one. This is all sample. Date of issue, date of expiry, be very careful. Don't do anything in hurry. And as I have said, verify 2 times. How many times? 2 times, not just once. Your plans. Why are you going? Tourism, main purpose, tourism. Okay. Verify. Okay. Here, click on next. Okay. All right. So now it has gone to the main side where you're gonna ask you to provide your details. So I'm putting some sample gender, marital status, okay. Last name. You need to do as per your case. Again, guys, as I've said, last name at birth, if different, so no, 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 First name. I mean, if you have applicable, then do date of birth. See the format. So make sure you meet that format. I'm just putting some sample. Place of birth. Check your passport for such details because you don't want any mismatch. Current nationality, nationality. I'm leaving it because it's not a mandatory field, but you have that information. So definitely put that. Nationality of birth, you different. I don't think it's different. So just leave it. Now address. Provide proper address. Okay. Postal code. You know your postal code, right? I'm just putting sample. Country, telephone number, email address. Provide proper email address. Don't do like this. Of course, I will not be submitting this application. Details of your identity. Joining. So again, that family member questions have been asked. Here they are again asking if you live in a country other than your nationality. So if you select yes, they will ask the valid legal stay proof like work permit, study permit, whatever. Current job. So you can select what you are working as. Like I select computer engineer. Then I ask for sector. Name of employer teaching establishment. Provide proper information, address, postal code, city, country. The phone number they have made mandatory, but not the email. But as I've always said, if you have, why to hide it? Next, last visa. Have you received a Schengen visa in past 59 months, almost 5 years? I select no. Same they was almost same. Have you digital print fingerprint previously taken? I select no. So let's go to next. Your stay. Details of your stay. Planned date of arrival in French territory. French Guiana is a French territory, no doubt. Let's say August 31st. Planned day of departure. Let's say October 31st, 2 months. Okay, that's it. Planned duration of stay number on days. So like 61. You can calculate the date difference. Number of France in the coming year. I select 0. Your plan of staying. Where will you stay? Oh no, plan of staying. So tourism. Okay. I select next. Contacts. Where you'll be accommodating with a person. If yes, provide that information. If your company or establishment provide that. If your hotel, then provide the name, details of the hotel. I'm just putting some mandatory fields, but you provide all the information that they have asked and you have. Phone number, email address, definitely you're going to find on the hotel reservation document if you have booked. Funding, if you do yourself, then they will ask what are the things, accommodation, prepaid, traveler's check, credit card, cash, transport cost, paper, whatever you have done. Of course, they will ask the documentation. Now the checklist has been populated. So on the day of appointment, when they will call you for submission or biometric based on your case. So passport, photocopy to travel document, purpose of travel stay, social, same thing that we have seen initially. Now, if you continue, it will ask you to submit and pay fee and all. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but you got an idea how to do. And from there, things will proceed with like appointment, payment, and application submission. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.